When you deposit your paycheck, you think it just sits there, waiting for you. It doesn't. The moment it lands, your money is already gone. And it gets better. Your bank will turn your $100 into $1,000 out of thin air, legally. Today, I'll show you exactly how. First, let's kill a myth. Most people think banks work like this. You bring your money, they keep it safe in a vault, and lend it to others for interest. Sounds logical, except it hasn't been true for 100 years. The vault is mostly empty. Banks don't lend out your money. They create new money. And that's where the magic trick begins. Here's the trick. You ask for $10,000. The bank doesn't hand over anyone's savings. And the miss inside others, it simply types the number into your account. And in that moment, the money is born. Taken from no one. It didn't exist 5 seconds ago. It was created by keystroke. This is called credit creation. Every new loan is new money in the system, and every repaid loan deletes that money. But wait, if banks can just type money into existence, why not type themselves $1 billion? Because there are 2 breaks. Break number 1, capital. Regulators say for every loan you create, you must hold your own money aside as insurance in case those loans go bad. Break number 2, trust. If we all show up for our money on the same day, the bank collapses by afternoon. That's called a bank run. That's why a central bank sits above them all, the bank for banks. It sets the price of typing new money through interest rates. Now, the part nobody mentions at dinner. Over 90% of all money today isn't cash. It's numbers in bank computers. Money created by loan, which means the entire money supply depends on how much banks feel like lending. Lend too much? Bubbles. Stop lending? Crises. In 2008, we saw what happens when the trick runs wild. Banks typed up home loans for people who could never pay them back. And who paid for the cleanup? Not the magicians, the audience, through taxes. So, are banks a scam? No. This trick is also the reason houses, factories, and your paycheck exist. Credit is the fuel of the economy. Imagine to the under the nail. But it means you need to understand the rules. Your money in the bank isn't sitting in a vault. It's someone else's loan. That's why governments guarantee deposits up to a limit. The safety net under this circus tent. Check the limit in your country. Today, money is built, brick by brick. If this opened your eyes, subscribe. Because next week, I'm showing you why your paycheck buys less every single year.